in this folder, one file is style.css and one file home.html, two files. This should be under the style.css folder. Not a style, it should be under the import CSS folder. Two files you created, style and home, both are under the import CSS folder. In a style file, in a style.css file, let's write something. Call it for body tag, margin from top 20 px, left right 10%, bottom also 20 px. Okay, in body tag. Next, after that, you will write for h1 tag, color red color, and font hyphen size 60-70 pixel, and text hyphen align colon center. Okay, so done this file, style.css. Now come to the home.html. In home.html file, HTML head, style, then body, okay. Now under the body write the h1 tag, welcome home. And under the style, you will write call @import space URL, @import space URL, import space URL, the file name style.css. Checking CSS got apply or not? CSS got apply. Import CSS is only one line here extra. How to call the file? Now in the same file, I'll write here link method. Link rel equal to style 8. Link rel equal to style set. href equal to style dot css. If you call like this is called a link method, external. If you call like this becomes an import method. It is also external CSS only. The way of calling is different. The way of calling is different. First one, most preferred is the first one, link method. Import method will be slow. Import method will be slow to execute. Link method will be super fast to execute. So we will not use the import method. We will use call link method. Everywhere we use the link method only. Okay, so I will, but in this example, let's follow the import. I'll comment this line. Here also I'll comment it. So that got commented, and this line is enabled. Now let's come next. In the same file, so we understood how to call the import CSS. Remaining all ID, class, everything is same. Only the way of calling is different. Okay, so come to the style.css file and write below. Right below, media query we are going to write to understand how we can make a responsive page. You can see when we are running this file in the big screen, the font size is 70 pixel. Okay, let me increase little to 90 pixels. Font size of H1 I change to 90 pixel will become little more bigger. Okay. Now when it will go in mobile phone, how it will look? In mobile phone also it will look such a big font size. Mobile phone height is this much. A welcome only will cover the half screen. Right? So we have to do something. So according to device, the content structure has to change. Okay, the content has to rearrange according to device. How to make that? Let's go inside. This is called comment. This is called comment in CSS. This line is commented. Okay, ready? Next, after this, come down right here, another comment. Media query used to media query is a part of CSS3, is a feature of CSS3. Media query used to find a screen / window size, the sense width of user computer. Whoever will open your page in their device, media query will find out what is the screen size, what is the width of the monitor, what is the width of the screen. If media query is able to find out width of the screen, then according to a screen width, we can rearrange the content. Okay. So finally, if you look on internet, what is the media query? It's called a feature of CSS3 that used to design the responsive web page. Media query is not going to design the responsive web page. CSS will design the responsive web page. With the help of media query, we'll find the screen size of user computer. What is the screen size of user computer? That size will come to know through the media query. Okay. So come next. And right here, the syntax of media query is something like this. @media screen. @media screen and @media screen and mean-width. Mean width. Before and after and space you have to give. Before and after and space you have to give. Return media query @media screen and mean width 1 pixel. Minimum pixel of the screen is 1 pixel and max width. Minimum width is 1 pixel and maximum width is suppose somewhere call 600 pixel. So this condition will execute if a screen width is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel. A screen width is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel. So @media screen and mean width 1 pixel and max width 600 pixel. Then what should happen? What should happen is the H1 you have written. For H1, the background should convert into blue color. The H1 background should convert into blue color. Background color should convert into blue color. Okay, written. Now let us check once whether happening or not. Reduce the window width. See, color got changed, not changed. Change did not happen. Oh, background we change. It should be color. It should be color as a blue. Change the color as a blue, not background as a blue.
Black at the rate. At the rate
Blue, black is not matter. Matter is, see, still there is error. Color red here, okay. So what we wrote is, max spelling is wrong. Max spelling is wrong. Max width. See, it will come. चेक करो, लिखो, देखो कैसे. Before and after and space is required. And after that, don't run your screen more than 600 pixel. Make it very small window of browser, and then check it. Browser, make it a small window. Make it more small. Okay. Background and more this color. Remove the background and change to color. Okay, so working, coming now. Other people check for other. Let me share this code. And you should make your screen a small screen. This way. I'll guide how to run it also. See, a screen should be a small screen. It should be a small screen. Should be a small screen, should not be such a large. The code, complete code I have sent you. Replace that. Then check. Code is shared in the chat.
Sir, media query is not important to write in this CSS code.
Media query is important to write if you are making your page for all the devices. If you are creating the page for mobile phone also, for laptop also, then we can write it. Which one? See, same page. If one person will open in laptop, he will see the red color. Same person will open in mobile phone, he will see the blue color. Now many more things are there. We are going to see that. Media query only people use on internet. So that the page will be responsive and user can open the page in any device. Still not working for someone? Send your code in chat. What's your name? Govindraj. Send your HTML code and CSS code both in chat. Please message in public, not in private. Message to all. Quickly, don't take long time. CSS code. Okay. I will take your CSS code and I will use in my file. This is your CSS code I copied. and I pasted here. Okay, copied and pasted. Now let me run it. See, it is working, no? If I increase happening, if I decrease happening. How we are running it?
Hello, sir, but in my laptop.
Can I make you host?
Hello.
Can I make you host?
Can I share my screen, sir?
Share your screen.
Okay, sir. I will share.
Share.
Okay, sir. Now my screen. Hello.
Show me the HTML code. Now, show me the folder. Folder where you have saved this file. Go inside folder and show us the file. Where is the file? Okay, now come to your browser. Minimize the screen. Make it a small screen. Go up to 600. Make it small. Minimize. Make it small.
Okay, sir. Now it's coming.
Coming.
Yes, sir. I tried only this much, sir. Only half, but I didn't try this.
You don't know what is the width of 600?
Yes, sir. But thank you, sir.
Okay, now come to the CSS file. And this is for which range? Up to 600, meaning your mobile phone. Reduce the font size also. Font size 30 pixel only. Because mobile phone width will be smaller. Correct? Mobile phone width will be small. In that, if you are displaying the big font size, it will be out of window. So this is the how much? 30 pixel. Now write a comment here called medium device CSS start. Here also you can write a comment for mobile look CSS start. For mobile look CSS start. For mobile look CSS start. For medium device CSS start. Come down and this much of CSS you copy and paste here. Same CSS you copy and paste down. Right inside. Up to 600 you are given for mobile phone. Now again start 601. 601 to 800. 601 to 800. Okay, 601 to 800. The H1 color will be green color and font size will be somewhere 40 pixel or 45 pixel. Okay, font size how much? 45 pixel. Now let us check. For very small device, blue color 30 pixel, little bigger than that, green color 45 pixel. See, changing. And happening. Now go ahead next. Write the CSS again. Comment first we can write. Large device CSS start here. For large device CSS start here. Come down. Write again media query, same section copy. Paste below. Minimum width is 801 and maximum width is up to how much? 1000. 801 to 1000. color as a some different color, pink color, purple color better, and font size 60 pixel. Okay. Now let us check. Increase slowly the window width. Color will change. Font size will change. Happening? Red is coming, that becomes a default extra large. And this is extra small, medium, large, then extra large. According to device, it's happening. Check now. Same for all. Oh. I'll wait for your response. Let me know. Looking similar or something else? Working for 2%. I'll send you the media query of last two, not last two. These three complete. Just you resize your screen and see the content is getting rearranged or not. So send you. Have a look. Now come next. In HTML file, after this H1, follow a division. That division better you can keep as a section. And under the section, give ID equal to service. ID equal to service. Inside that, follow the division. ID equal to class equal to. Inside should be class. My service. write some text. Software ten times, okay? Hardware marketing employment education then you can call it something promotion promotion right for banking travel grocery. This all we added, okay? Now according to device, this service has to rearrange. Written. Next, we need to work on CSS part. We have to make it better look and feel and responsive. Go next. First, we need to write the CSS for service. Before media query, that is the default CSS. Okay. As a service, you can write inside display colon grid and grid column count. Grid columns count. COLUMNS. Columns count. This is a property or something else? Always we write and always I forget.
The grid template column.
Grid template columns. By default will display how many service? Let's keep 4 service in one line. that you have to write auto, auto, auto and auto. Okay, hope ready. Check now. How many are coming in one line? 4 are coming. 4 in one line, 4 in the next line, remaining in the next line. Right? Now write below class called my service. My service. First check 4 are coming or not in one line. So me. So there is the problem in grid template columns auto. Then service SERVIC. VIC. Service no or service? What is that? You are running the file anywhere? Now run it. 4 are coming. Spelling was wrong. Okay, now 4 are coming in one line. Now what should happen is some margin, some padding, correct? So first you apply called little margin. Suppose somewhere 20 pixel, little padding, 20 pixel, then font size, 40 pixel, then color, white, background, purple. This will make total 4 columns in one. Check now, font size and all. Something like this. 4 are coming in the big screen. In mobile phone also 4 should not come. In mobile phone only 1 will come in one line. In medium device 2 will come. In large device 3 will come. In extra large 4 will come. That adjustment we have to do. Check something like this. Come next. What is the next option is? Next option is look into the small device. In a small device, first, not a small, very small. What you have to do, you can see a service, how many columns you are given? 4. We need to convert into 1. Simple. So call the ID as service, and inside that service, but within the curly bracket only, not outside the curly bracket. The curly bracket is the area block. So inside that area, if compiler will come, then H1 will be blue and the will be 30, and service will be grid column count only 1. Grid column count only 1, that is called auto, 1 time. So it will become full width. Okay. Now let us look into the mobile phone. Go for the mobile phone directly. See, 1 column is coming. Perfect design in mobile phone. The customer who will open in mobile phone, he will be happy. Will feel like, oh, very good. It's fitting in my mobile also. Correct. He will scroll up down and he can see the content easily. Font size also we can reduce, no problem. But okay, no, what is the problem in this? Font size also we can reduce. Font size we can reduce under the My Service. Under the My Service, the font size you can't increase through the service. The font size you have to change through the My Service. The first will control the number of columns. So now only 1 column is coming. Please check. Come next. Now copy the same service. Go under the second device. And in medium device, how many you want to display? 2. Up to 800, 600, 1 to 800, we can display 2 columns. Auto and auto, 2 times. So automatically in mobile phone, 1 column. And once you rotate the mobile, then 2 columns. Let us check now. In mobile phone, 1 is okay. Let's increase little. See, 2 is coming. We will work on font size also. So up to 800, 2 will be there easily. Up to 800, 2 should be there. And 800, 1 to 1000, 3 should be there. So add this service. Auto 2 times. Not happening. Carefully read and write. 601 to 800 range. The service 2 time auto and auto. Resize your screen. Refresh the page. Resize the screen and check once. Not happening? Now copy the same service block. Come under the 801 to 1000 block. Paste here. And auto 3 times. Auto 3 times. Auto 3 times. Now we can check once, is that happening? Right? But when we say auto 3 times, can you see scroller appear in the last? So we have to do little changes in the range. This one you keep till 1100. 1100. Last one, 800 to 1100. $800 to 1100. Save now. Okay, still little wrong, right? Because need more width. Is not adjusting here. 3 happen, but adjustment problem is there. Right? See, in the one device is okay, 2 device is also okay, 2 device is okay, in 3 device there is a problem. Correct? So 3 device, do one thing, 850. Convert 850 to 852, or instead of 850, put as a, okay, 850 to 1200. 850 to 1200. 3 block will appear. In 850 to 300, 12 block will appear. 850 to 1200, 3 block will appear. Maximum is okay. Problem is happening in the minimum. See here. Oh, this becomes a 4. Why? 4 is coming. Something wrong. Okay. Yeah, because we have made 850 here, no? 850. So the second one, 600 to 800 we have made. You need to make 849. 849. 601 to 849. 601 to 849 will go for this one. 601 to 849 and 850 to 1200. Change that range once. 2 are coming. Okay. 3 are. Then do one thing, keep till 900 better. Okay, 600 to 900. 600 to 900. 601 to 900 one device. And this one 900 to 1200. 901 to 1200. Six hundred one to 900, 901 to 1200, 300 range will be there. The number of block will get changed based on 300. 6 to 9, 9 to 12. 6 to 9, 9 to 12. Now this will fit 601 to 900, 901 to 1200. See now, up to 900, up to 600 only one will come. After 600, 200 will happen till 900. After 900, 3 will happen. Space wise is okay. After 1200, again 4 will happen. So becomes a 4 type of device. Extra small, then medium, large, then by default extra large. Any user, whoever will open the page in any device, they will not feel uncomfortable. In one house, 3 persons are using the same website, one in mobile, another one in tab, another one in the laptop. All 3 will fight together tomorrow. He will say, when I open the website in my phone, it was showing only one item in one line. Second one will say, no, you are lying. When I open, it was showing how many? 2 items. Third one will say, you both are lying. When I open, it was showing total how many? 4 items. And they will forget they have used the different devices. Understood? This is for which one? Media query. Using media query, we can make the page responsive. But media query is not making responsive. Your CSS is making responsive. With the help of media query, you are able to write if-else condition. This becomes the if-else only, no? If 1 to 600, then this one. Else if 601 to 900, this one. Else if 901 to 1200, this one. Else this one, default one. Else default one. Okay, else default one. This is your else part. Okay, this is your else part. And these are our if else, if else, if else, if else. Okay, so this grid and this one, CSS grid, and then what is that? What you are playing now with the media query, important, very important. Okay, because whenever you create the page and design the page, everywhere you have to look into the public requirement, all type of device, responsiveness, correct? So their media query and this grid will help you. This is also uses grid column count. With the help of that, you are making your page. Okay, next, after that, what is the next work? Next work, we need to implement the another feature of CSS, some transition, after that, some kind of animation you have already implemented in the beginning itself. Animation we have made, transition we have, some box shadow we have, text shadow we have, okay, some other rotate property we have, those all we have, we need to see.
So if you want to implement 3D box and all, create a box and all.
Text shadow,
Text shadow.
no, not text shadow, box shadow,
Box.
box shadow.
Box.
Using that, this box will look like a 3D. This welcome home will look like a,
We can implement in this also.
we can implement in this also. H1 you have written, go for H1, write there text shadow. Text shadow. First number will come from left side, left to right. So from left give 10 pixel, 10 px. The shadow will shift towards right. Second will come from top. From top also give 10 px. So from left 10, from top 10. Now you see shadow is coming little down. Then density of the shadow, suppose 10 px. Let's reduce little 5 px. Then px. Then color of the shadow. Color of the shadow, green color. Color of the shadow, green color. Something?
In for box, we have to do is
Everything same, instead of text, box. Instead of text shadow, box shadow will come.
in my service or in service.
Hmm?
We have to implement it service.
In my service. Okay, so this 10 become less. Let me make 15 from top. See, shadow is shifting down. Look like it is 3D. We'll create detailed example tomorrow related to text shadow, box shadow as well as. Now here also we can write the box shadow. In this, we can write it a box shadow. Box shadow. Each boxes will have some kind of shadow like this. Whenever it will go, wherever it will go, it will be arranged accordingly. Look like a 3D box.
So if you want to add some audio and all this. Audio and all.
बताएंगे वो. That is available everywhere. This is not available everywhere, but playing the audio video is available everywhere. Reading in code online and copy.
Shadow is not available.
Available in W3 it's available. Okay, सब चीज available है internet पर खोजेंगे. Okay, so written. Now, see once. Here, text shadow also we can add. Text shadow, not much, less only. Which color? Which color shadow? White color? Because background is purple. The shadow should be cross color. Look like useless.
Black.
Density is more. I'll reduce to less. Then let me see. Oh. Should be 10 somewhere. Hmm? 2. 5. Color should be different color.
Black.
Should not look the copy, it should look as a shadow. Okay. So this way you can try. See you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll try to cover remaining part of CSS and will be almost coming to the end part.
After the JavaScript.
After that, Bootstrap. 1 week. Then JavaScript. Okay, so hope you are able to implement text shadow as well as box shadow. We'll log in again tomorrow.